Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prince video. This is Kyra and today I have something super exciting to share with you guys. We have officially reached 1 million sales in our Etsy shop and we want to celebrate that. So next week we are going to be having a Thanks a Million event, a week of gratitude, goodies, and giveaways to say thank you to our community for helping us reach this milestone. So what that means is next week, starting on Monday, September 22nd, 2025, we will be having daily freebie printables, daily 50% off sales in the My Porch Prince Etsy shop, and daily YouTube videos where you can follow along and get those freebies that I mentioned earlier. And it's going to just be a really fun week where we celebrate together. And there's going to be a chance to win prizes each day, including a grand prize, which we're going to talk about a little bit more in Monday's video. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, as well as all of the other videos that we're going to be releasing during the Thanks a Million event. So the week is going to kick off again Monday, September 22nd with our Keepsakes Journal Kit freebie. That's right, we're going to be giving away an entire journal kit for free. It has like a beautiful time-worn Victorian feel with like vintage faded florals and shades of pink and sage and burgundy. The link will be in Monday's video on YouTube, so be sure to come back Monday and check it out and get your freebie Keepsakes Journal Kit. Also, a reminder to sign up for the My Porch Prince seasonal newsletter. We're going to be sending a special mailing out very soon with event highlights, sales info, and a sneak peek at the weekly freebies. So if you don't want to miss out, go to our website at www.myporchprince.com and sign up for that newsletter. And Monday's video is going to be kicking off the 50% off sales that will be happening each day on different sections of our Etsy shop. So starting on Monday, we're going to be beginning with 50% off on select mini books and fussy cuts. So if you have an interest in any of those things, make sure to check out the Etsy shop, as well as come back every day next week to see what else is on sale. And last but not least, a portion of the week's sales will be going to support God's Hands for Kids, a charity that benefits local foster and adoptive families as well as at-risk individuals. It helps them to get things like bedding, clothes, and essentials for kids and families in need. So every sale that you help us with will be helping support this charity. So again, thank you so much for supporting us and for supporting God's Hands for Kids. We're really grateful to be able to do this and to have this event and say thank you to all of you. We started My Porch Prince almost 10 years ago, and thanks to all of your support, we finally reached this amazing milestone, and we couldn't have done it without you. Our family is so grateful, and we are so excited to celebrate with our Thanks a Million event next week. So join us for a week of gratitude, goodies, and giveaways starting on Monday, September 22nd. I'll see you there.